we will see Class 5 English Unit 6 The Talkative Barber. Long, long ago, a sultan whose name was Shahryar ruled over a large kingdom. His queen was a good storyteller. Each night, she would tell a story to the king. She narrated ancient Persian and Arabic folk stories. This is one of the stories from the Arabian Nights. Read this story about a man who cannot stop talking. In the city of Gasgar lived a barber who was a great talker. Once the sultan called the barber to shave his head. The barber started talking non-stop instead of saving him. The sultan got angry. When are you going to stop talking and begin to do your work? The barber replied, You do me an injury by calling me a chatterer. For everyone says I am very quiet. I have 6 brothers whom you might call chatterers. Their names are Backbone, in bracket Buckbone, Buckberia, bracket Buckbuck, in bracket Buck, Algus, in bracket Alhuz, Al-Anisi, in bracket Al-Nashi, and Chakabak. One is humbacked, one is toothless, one is half blind, one is quite blind, and one is deaf, and the other has a defect in his speech. And they are all great talkers, but I am the youngest of my family. Give him 3 pieces of gold, the sultan cried, losing all patience, and send him away. I will not be saved today. My master, cried the barber, it was not I who came to seek you. It was you who ordered me to come, so I will not quit your house till I have saved you. He then began narrating another story which lasted half an hour. Stop making your fine speeches and let me go quickly. I have an affair of the greatest importance. I have to go out at noon, said the sultan. When he saw that the sultan was really angry with him, the barber said, Oh master, don't be angry. I will begin to save you. Saying this, he washed the sultan's head and began to shave. But he had not touched him even 4 times with the razor when he stopped and said, My master, you are acting harshly in this matter. Go on shaving me, speak no more, ordered the sultan. Be patient, said the barber. Perhaps you have not considered well what you were going to do. I wish you would tell me what this matter of great importance is all about, and then I will give you my opinion on it. Finish shavings at once, the sultan exclaimed. But instead of doing this, the barber left the sultan's half shaved to go and see what time it was. My patience is exhausted, Sultan cried. Be calm, my master, and you shall be saved in a moment, said the barber, and saying this, he continued shaving the sultan, but while he was doing this, he would not help talking. If you could inform me what is this important affair this is, I would give more advice, which you might find you useful, he said. The sultan was completely fed up by now and desired to satisfy the barber. He took him that he was giving a feast to some friends at noon, which was why he was in a hurry to leave. When the barber heard the Sultan mention a feast, he exclaimed, "That reminds me, yesterday I invited 4 or 5 friends to come to my house today, but I had quite forgotten it. I have not made any preparation for them." The Sultan, who was at mercy of the barber, was ready to do something to be rid of him. "Be quick and finish your work," the Sultan replied, "and you shall have all the food that has been prepared for me today. Please show me the food so that I may judge if it is enough for my 5 friends." "I have enough food for you," the Sultan exclaimed. But he ordered that all the food prepared for his feast be brought him. The barber looked over the food and said, "This is very good, but I shall want some fruit for the dessert also." The Sultan, in desperation, since his head was half shaved, ordered that the fruits should also be brought in. The barber left off shaving the Sultan to examine. New verse. Chatterer, someone who talks a lot. Defect, a fault. Opinion, what a person feels about a person, thing or subject. Exhausted, tried and fed up. Dessert, a sweet dish served after the main meal. Examine, to look at something very carefully, at length, at a stretch. Let's read. How many brothers did the barbers have? 2. Why was the Sultan in a hurry? 3. Why did the barber take so long to shave the Sultan? Write true or false. 1. The barber was shaving the Sultan's beard. 2. Sultan gave him 3 gold coins. 3. The barber refused to leave the Sultan's palace. 4. There were 7 brothers altogether in the Sultan's family. Let's listen. A lion. A lion emerged from his lair, for the short summer cut to his hair, but the barber, he wept while his customers slept as they waited their turn in the chair. Joseph G. Francis. Thank you, kids. Subscribe for your knowledge. Comment your thoughts. Sharing is caring.